Good morning to all of you. I would welcome you all to this class of class 11th English language. Today, let us take page 39, exercise 3C. Page 39, exercise 3C. Filling the blanks with the correct verb. The passage is about the importance of water. So, we must be very serious about this passage. Water is life. Our bodies are made mostly of water, and our survival depends on it. DEPENDS. All life forms on planet Earth are nurtured, past tense, ED, by water. Hence, ancient civilizations revered, REVERED, water, acknowledged, again, ED, past tense, its role as the driving force of nature. Scriptures of the two oldest religions of the world, Zoroastrianism and Hinduism, venerate water as a deity, while the Sand Avastha reveres Ardevi, the river goddess who nourishes people, add years and lands and grants fertility, healing and wisdom. The Puranas worship Ganga, the river goddess who feeds, purifies and liberates humankind. With time, the relationship between human beings and water seems to have undergone, GONE, undergone many changes. The idealization turned into utilitarianism, followed by consumerism, and finally gave way to exploitation. Over the last 100 years or so, we have been exhausting water reserves faster than they can be replenished. Underline the word replenish. Write the meaning. Fill something again or get a new supply. Fill something again or get a new supply. Question number 4. We will do some easy passages in the coming classes, and then as we get time, we go through the difficult ones. Now go ahead, page 44, unit 3. Agreement of subject and verb. So we know that the subject and verb has to agree. So certain rules are there. We learn them up. The verb must agree with the subject in number and person. Underline number. There are two numbers, singular number, plural number. Persons, we know, 3 persons, first person, second person, third person. First person, I and we, second person, you, third person, he, she, it, or they. The verb should be of the same number and person as the subject. Now, look at the rules. They make it very clear. Number 1, 2 or more singular subjects connected by and take a plural verb. Note this rule. Singular subject connected by and take a plural verb. Example, he and I are great friends. He singular, I another singular, connected by and, are great friends. Karan and his brother were present. Second, if two subjects joined by and represent one idea, then the verb is in the singular. Again, note this. Two subjects represent one idea, then the verb is singular. Bread and butter is a necessity, not a luxury. Bread, butter refer to one item of food. Slow and steady wins the race. WINS. Next, if two singular subjects joined by and preceded by each or every, again the verb is singular. Example, every boy and every girl was terrified. Each day and each hour brings us happiness. BRINGS brings us happiness. Another important rule, if two singular nouns refer to the same person or thing, the verb must be singular. Same person or thing. Example, the priest and leader, one person, has come. The poet and statesman, one idea, is dead. But if two nouns refer to two different people, there will be article repeated and the verb will be plural. Look at the example there. The poet and the statesman are dead. The poet, the statesman, article the is repeated. That means referring to two people. So, are dead. The principal and the secretary have arrived. The principal, the secretary, two people. So, are. Another rule, two or more singular subjects connected by or, nor, either or, neither nor, take a verb in the singular. Neither food nor water was available. Food, water, singular subject, neither nor, was. Either Reena or Meena is there. But if the subjects connected by or nor are of different number, remain singular, plural, the verb should be plural and plural subject will be placed near the subject. Example, neither Rohit nor his friends were present. Rohit, singular, friends, plural. So friends we keep later. Secondly, near the verb. So were, friends plural, so were present or are present. Nitin or his brothers are to be blamed. Nitin singular, brothers plural, so are. Another, when the subjects joined by or nor are of different person, the verb agrees in person with the nearest to it. More or less similar rule, either you or he is correct. He is. Neither my friends nor I am sorry. But here we can make the sentence in a better way by writing either you are correct or I am. So the meaning becomes clear. Neither my friend is sorry nor I am sorry. Another rule, a collective noun takes a singular verb if the idea of oneness is expressed, but it refers to individual or persons, then the verb will be plural. Example, there is a large number of pupils in the class. pupils together, large number. But a number of students were rewarded. Person. Next, two nouns joined by with as well as verb agrees with the first noun. For example, the king with all his sons was arrested. First we use the king, singular, with was. Suresh as well as his friends has failed. Suresh, first subject, has failed. Iron as well as coal is found. As well as, so is. Either, neither, each, everyone, many, a must be followed by a verb in the singular. Everyone was given a prize. Either of the two leaders is competent. Many a boy is tempted. Neither of the applicants is suitable. Each of the elements is found in the state. When none of is used with plural noun or pronoun, or a singular noun refers to a group, both singular and plural can be. So it is an easy rule. None of them is coming tonight. None of them are coming tonight. Now, error due to proximity. Very often we make an erroneous tendency to make the verb agree number with a noun near to it. Let us see the example. The quality of the apples is good. Here the subject is quality, not apple. Quality is good. Or the cost of all the food articles, cost has risen. One of his teachers, one has been. Then a relative noun agree number and person with the antecedent. That means, look at the example. I am a man who shuns popularity. Who shuns? Ravi is one of those men who take. Right. Then, some nouns appear to be plural, but they are actually singular. For example, news, singular. Physics, singular. Mathematics, singular. Economics, all these are singular, so they appear to be plural, but they are actually singular. So, please go through this and then try to do the assignments. In the next class, we will look at the assignments. So, till then, have a good day.